channel. My name's Justin, and you can find me on J&J Adventures. Today, I'm going to be running a motorcycle! I got trying to start it so we can warm up, because it hasn't ran in a long, long time. Last time someone rode it, it was like my aunt, and that was pretty long ago. So, let's get to the video.
I'm going to ride it just to get it warmed up, okay? It's not quite warmed up, though.
What's that mean?
Well, it has to run on the choke.
Daddy, I want you to let us do it.
You're fine. I got you. I know. I just need to keep it running. See, if I let go, it's gonna die. Just a little, okay? So like on the electric one, see, they're almost like no remote now, right? This is the throttle, so it's like the throttle on a car. The more you turn it, the faster it goes. So just barely turn it. Practice turning it real slow. Yeah, there you go. Got it? You don't want to go. You don't want to turn all the way and then be full throttle, okay? Okay, go ahead and shift it into gear. Pop it up to gear.
Daddy's gonna hold you.
I got you. What? Sure. It's just like the one. Watch out, Hank.
It's just like the one that's
Come on.
Justin.
I told
A little bit, okay? Just a little throttle. There you go.
you. You almost did it.
You almost did.
Right?
What's up?
You want me to push it back down?
I'll push it down. Yeah, push it back into neutral.
I can push it down.
How much gas? Just a little bit.
There you go. Oh, so close.
Push it back down, okay?
You almost had it. There you go. You got it.
Once you got...
Keep.
Through us, we'll make him come through, and that's where we'll say he graduated to the next level motorcycle. He's just looking. Yeah, stay this.
Yeah. And cars
All right,
running.
this is your graduation.
Woo!
His other one. Oh, yeah. On or off. But this, like, you actually have to get the feel of. Yeah. He has a clutch. Yeah.
Make him go through? Yeah. Make him go through again? Okay, come on. Yeah! Maybe he will.
He'll turn. He's turning around. He's gonna come the other way.
Yeah, he can come this way too. yeah. When he
He lays it
I
down
know.
on the top.
Well, yeah, he's at a disadvantage. His feet can't hold the clutch, you know.
Woo!
Chino, sit.
So, I just got done starting my new motorcycle. So, there's two things I want to tell you that you should not do when going to the next gear. Don't try to go middle speed and kick the thing up because you'll stop and then you'll go like this on the motorcycle. Always try to slow down and then kick it up. So that's all I need to say.
But here, let's watch your brother real quick. Hank, watch out.
You can have this. I'm not stopped.
It's all right.
What's going on?
I think my dirt bike is. You're ready. My dirt bike is going home with the camera.
You think so?
I think so.
Oh my God! I can't believe it. This kid's getting everything.
Jackson thing.